slowly, enjoy in the present. Okay, you're looking for a place to travel. You are in the right place. Today I made you travel to one of the places. I'm going to introduce you to a magical place called the Amazon, the Colombian Amazon. This is a beautiful place to slow down and enjoy nature. Everybody needs time, need a stop, need to forgive, need a space for do anything, for think what we really need, and time to slow down. We need time for wake up again and begin to appreciate the little things. I'm ready for this unusual adventure. I assure that you will not regret. Okay, what activities can you do? You can do a lot of things in this place. Welcome to the paradise. You can visit the Leticia Stories doorway, where you'll find the imaginary line that divides the Amazon into three countries, Colombia, Brazil, and Peru, as well as boats that will take you to different places to enjoy nature and contact with different indigenous communities. Okay. Here, you can travel to observe amazing species, enrich remote communities, indigenous territories, and nature reserves. We are going to learn about their rituals, cultures, and beliefs, and interacting with the leaders of tribes in order to understand their tribes, in order to understand their relationship with nature are unique experience that will transform your worldview. Okay, Leticia also has options for lovers of ecological tourism and adventure, offering a myriad of activities such as climbing trees, hiking through the forest, riding zip lines, sailing the Amazon River, observing flora and fauna, or taking an expedition down the river to remote places in the heart of the jungle. Okay, 20 kilometers from Leticia, the capital of the Amazon department, you reach a unique and very special place. It is the island of the Micos, the kingdom of these species in the Amazon and why not in the whole world. Ara Island, better known as the island of the Micos, is a river island converted into a destination well known for hosting as population Amazonian primates. They roam freely, their being master and owners of the place. Some monkeys live permanently, and others are pilgrims. They jump between the tree tops and are accustomed to groups of tourists. They amicably climb on their shoulders and heads, almost waiting for the photography, and a delicious banana that they receive from the hand of the tourists. I think it is a wonderful place. And they are so beautiful, and I feel that uh, they love with you. Okay. The river also offers spectacular views of the unique pink dolphins that swim through the waters of the Amazon. The, the pink dolphins has just been included on the endangered species list, the second most worrying category of the red list. Okay, and for this reason, we have to remember that we must respect them and observe them from afar. Remember to take care and respect nature because everything is hers. Okay, In the Colombian Amazon, really you can visit a lot of places like Tabatinga, Mitu, Mira, Mira parks, like visit Parque Santander at dusk. There you can see a lot of parrots, a lot of birds. It's so beautiful. Okay, another park is the stroll through El Parque Mundo Amazona, the Kawanari National Natural Park, and many other beautiful places. I, 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 I go, I went one time ago, and really I love this and this experience, and I recommend you because you can think a lot of things really. Okay, and something that is so important, the food, typical dishes of the region. Piraku. Piraku is delicious. Is the Amazon diet is largely made up of fish. It's the most emblematic fish of the region. Eh, People say that this fish have has 7 meat. I believe that this is delicious. It's it's amazing. I don't know. Okay, mohoy is one of the most iconic typical food of the Colombian Amazon. It's composed of a grilled white larva, white of a grilled white larva that can be filled with meat or chicken. This larva is part of the diet of many Amazonian tribes because these have a high nutritional content and can be eaten raw, roasted, or fried. Okay, they have in Chicapi is a chicken soup with yuca, corn, peanut, cilantro, and other things. We have the cassava, that is a tortilla made from cassava. And the farina is a cassava flour made from fried yuca and striped yuca. The last is juice of copo azul. The copo azul is an Amazonian fruit with a flavor similar to the to that of passion fruit. In the Colombian Amazon, it is used to prepare drinks and juices. Okay, a nice palace. I assure you that you will fall more in love with the stars and moon that you see the shining in the sky. There are thousands of stars and they are all beautiful. The beauty of the night will invite you to think and solve for an instant. You will see that simple things are beautiful and can use praise. Okay, this presentation is for invite to visit this place for stop for a moment and feel that that life uh, worth it. And thanks